How to create a graph in Excel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a graph in Microsoft Excel 2026. We'll cover the basic steps needed to create a simple and effective chart. First, create a table and enter all the data you want to display in the graph. Once your data is ready, click on the Insert Chart. From the Chart section, select all chart types, choose a chart style, and click OK. Next, select your data table. The chart data range will be automatically updated with the selected values. You can customize the appearance of your graph using the Design tab. Here, you can apply predefined layouts and themes to change the overall look of the chart. The Layout tab allows you to edit elements such as the chart title, axis titles, legends, data labels, and data table options. Finally, use the Format tab to adjust the formatting of the graph, horizontal axis, vertical axis, expenses, and revenue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.